Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use C4 in Ghost Recon Wildlands. First, ensure C4 is equipped in your inventory. Access your gear wheel by holding the designated button, then select C4. It's a powerful explosive, perfect for taking out vehicles or structures. You can typically carry up to 3 C4 charges, so choose your moments wisely for maximum impact. Once equipped, deploying C4 is straightforward. Aim at your desired target, whether it's a vehicle, a wall, or a group of enemies, and press the deploy button. Think strategically about placement. Hiding it around corners or on the underside of vehicles can lead to surprising results. Remember, good placement is key to a successful demolition. After placing your C4, you'll need to detonate it. Simply press the designated button to trigger the explosion remotely. Always ensure you are a safe distance away, ideally at least 10 meters, to avoid taking damage from the blast. Timing is crucial, especially when dealing with moving targets or large groups of enemies. For advanced tactics, try combining C4 with your drone. You can drop C4 from above, then detonate it for a surprise attack. It's also excellent for creating diversions, luring enemies into a trap. Don't forget its utility in destroying critical infrastructure like generators or communication equipment, disrupting enemy operations effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.